In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Zaps in Zapier. Whether you're streamlining your workflow or automating routine tasks, Zapier can be a powerful tool to connect your apps and move information seamlessly between them. So let's dive into the process of enabling your Zaps to get the most out of this application. First, when you're working with Zapier, you need to direct your attention to the left side of your dashboard where you'll find a section labeled Assets. This is your primary navigation area that enables you to organize and access your various Zaps and tools efficiently. Here, you can manage everything that pertains to your Zapier setup. Within your Assets pane, the key is to locate and click on the section labeled Zaps. This part of the dashboard lists all the Zaps you've created. It allows you to have a comprehensive view of your entire automation configuration. Remember, a Zap is simply an automation, meaning it is a series of tasks that completes on its own once it's triggered. Now, when looking through this list, you'll see each Zap you've set up, which will be displayed with its specific name and a brief description of its functionality. If you've built multiple Zaps and your list is extensive, take a moment to locate the particular Zap you want to activate. You can use the search function if needed to find it more quickly. Once you've identified the Zap you want to enable, you simply need to locate the toggle switch next to it. This toggle is what gives you the power to activate or deactivate your Zaps with ease. To proceed with enabling the Zap, click directly on the toggle switch. The action will flip the toggle from its current position over to the opposite side, indicating that your Zap is now active. You'll typically notice a change in color or the switch visually moving to signify that it's been turned on. Enabling your Zap means that the selected automation is now live. It can begin executing its programmed tasks whenever the conditions are met or the trigger occurs, thus seamlessly handling repetitive tasks on your behalf. It's worth checking that all the connections and corresponding settings for this Zap are correct before activating. This can save you execution